Hello everyone, this is Sumit Bhatia. I'm a Sitecore 8.2 and 9 certified developer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some new features and improvement introduced in Sitecore 10.2. So here I have two instances, one is for Sitecore 10.2 and another is for Sitecore 10.1. So I will show you features and improvements, and I will give you some comparison between these two versions also for Horizon. So first new feature that is introduced is the content explorer uh, instead of content tree. So you can now find content items using the content explorer instead of content tree. With content explorer you can organize items in table view using keyword search and filters and instead of fixed hierarchy of the content tree. So I will show you how it looks like. So in this 10.1 version, if we could go to content, so you can see that we have only one option to see the content into the content tree. We don't have option for content explorer. But if you go to Sitecore 10.2, if I go to this content, and here I can see the two options here. For this for content tree and another is for content explorer. So in the content explorer you can see that I can see all the contents. I can search for with the keywords. I can see all the contents in the tabular form, and here they have provided some feeds in the table that created by, last modified by, date modified, templates, work overflow states, etc. And here in the left hand side you can filter the content with some filter options like recently created by me, recently modified by me. You can select the template, you can select the workflow state created by, and other filter also. And you can also uh, sort these items in the country. You can also use filter by keywords, and if you want to search for a specific, you can use this one if I go over home, so you can search like this one also. So this is the new feature that is introduced in Sitecore 10.2. The next thing is improvement, that is navigate in the page structure hierarchy. So if I go to a page, so let me open the page here in 10.1. So if I go to the pages, I have a home page here, and for suppose now uh, I have a title here, and above the title I have the container. So if we want to go, if I have a multiple hierarchy, like under container I have another container, and another inside that I have a title and other field also. If I want to move to the parent of this component, the page design hierarchy, so I cannot do that. I don't have any option that previously that inside core experience editor provide to navigate to the upper container part, upper control part. So for this it is an improvement that is inside code 10.2. So if I open a page here, and let me open the page, and so this is my about us page. And if I go to title, so if I have this arrow to go to the upper component of this of this rendering, so if I go to click on this arrow, I go to main container. If I go to this, I go to this container. So under the container I have this image, and if I go to a container of within the container above the image, I can go with that one also. So this is the new option, so I can now navigate to the hierarchy of the in the pages. The next thing is a component pane in the progress in the pages. So this is also a new improvement. So previously if I go to this components option, so I don't have any grouping here, because it is difficult for me to search for a particular component. But because in experience editor in SXA we have some we have grouping of the components, so uh, we can go to each group and we can find the component over there. But in Sitecore 10.1 we don't have that. If we go to Sitecore 10.2, so now we have components grouped you see in the SXA in experience editor. So under the forms I have form components, composite have some different type of components. So now it is very easier for a user to choose a component by going into the particular section or a group. So these are some improvements and feature those are introduced in Sitecore 10.2 Horizon. Thanks for watching this video. That's all I have.